Almost everything you have in your hands today has at one point or another been in a warehouse like this one. There are thousands of warehouses like this in the United States, and each one of them struggles with the same problem: keeping track of inventory. Today, that is a manual and incredibly slow process that doesn't even ensure accuracy in the warehouses. Because of that, things get lost all the time, and workers spend hours every day searching for missing items. When I say searching, they climb on forklifts, they climb on ladders, or bring binoculars like this. These errors cost companies billions of dollars every year, and they're a huge liability for warehouses. When I was 15, I built a 737 flight simulator in my parents' basement. When I was 19, I joined BMW's Advanced Robotics R&D department in Munich. Today, I'm the CEO and founder of IFM, where we solve the inventory problem in warehouses with flying robots. IFM stands for Intelligent Flying Machines. At the core, we are a data analytics company using computer vision and robotics to automate data capture. With my team, among them two top PhDs, Nathan and Siddharth, from Northwestern University, with backgrounds working at Oculus, numerous peer-reviewed publications, we've built revolutionary flying robots, like this one. Our robots have the unique ability to fly autonomously indoors, using only onboard processing and onboard sensing. We do that with our own computer vision software and specialized computing hardware. We're using these robots in warehouses in an end-to-end solution to make sure inventory is accurate at all times. It consists of a fleet of flying robots, on-site infrastructure, and real-time analytics software. For the start, our solution is targeted at a specific type of warehouse. The fancy term that people might throw at you is high bay or selective rack. Really what that means is that you have uniform dimensions, palletized goods, and labels on each one of those pallets. The nice thing is you find these warehouses in basically every manufacturing environment, as well as in other industries. Now, here's a video of our robot flying. What you can see is our robot flying autonomously. There's no one controlling it here, and finding the labels on the boxes and consequently reading the information from those labels. Once our robot finishes the scan, we cross-reference the data that we collect with the on-site inventory management system to make sure that all the boxes are at the right locations. If we find an error, we tell the workers and they can fix it right away. Now, we've been testing our solution with some of the biggest companies in the world over the past year. The industries we've been focusing on are automotive manufacturing, food and beverage distribution, and industrial supplies. And working with these companies, we learned how to integrate our system into their existing warehouse processes, and also how to work with them and what features are actually important in our end-to-end solution. If you apply our system to an average-sized warehouse of an automotive plant, there's 3 key takeaways for the owner of that plant. First of all, no more errors in your inventory. Our robots are really good at counting. They're not human, after all, or yet. Also, we're doing inventory counting at 400 times the speed of the existing manual processes. It takes up to 6 days every year of closing the warehouse to make sure inventory is at the right location. With our robots, it takes about 20 minutes, and you can do it every day. If you apply that to an automotive plant, just on the cost of inventory holding for extra inventory they hold today, we're saving them about $4 million every year. We're IFM. IFM, as Intelligent Flying Machines, we have the mission to improve the operational efficiency of enterprises through the use of advanced computer vision and robotics. Our first product is this warehouse system, but our vision is much bigger. We're building artificial systems that understand space. That sounds very broad. What that means, though, is that we build artificial systems that can collect all the information necessary to digitize the great indoors. We have Google Maps for outdoors, but there's nothing comparable for the indoors. With emerging technologies that you've heard about, such as VR and AR, we need to be able to collect information about the spaces that we live in. And we don't want to have people walking around with cameras to do that manually. We can do that with robots, and that's what we're going to be doing. And we're IFM. Thank you very much.